Hello again, this is Motions Biz and back with another video. Now this video today is especially for entrepreneurs and business owners who want to build their business credit. And this is about my personal experience with Capital on Tap. And if it is your first time finding this channel, I welcome you. I appreciate that you were able to find this channel and you decided to click on that thumbnail and check out this video. And so, if it is your first time finding this channel, welcome, and I appreciate you being here. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel because here we learn from each other. We are sharing our personal journeys regarding business credit and personal credit, and we all learn from each other. And it is amazing how this community is very proactive with learning and sharing experiences. And as you may have noticed, I haven't posted a lot of videos lately because it has been a little bit busy on the business side as well. But I combined that with a little pleasure, so I have been traveling a lot, this past week. But I am back and I am sharing a lot more information. And I can tell you right now, I have a lot of good updates for both for business credit and personal credit as well. So I will be posting those videos as many of you have messaged me and asked for that information. So back to Capital on Tap. Now I have heard about this company through the Credit Plug actually, and I really like that guy. He has really great information. So he was one of the first influencers that I was watching a lot on YouTube. But anyway, a very interesting thing about Capital on Tap is that it is very new business friendly, but they do have stringent guidelines and qualifications to qualify your business for a business credit card. But the good thing about Capital on Tap, now especially for new businesses out there, and I know that many of you in this community have your own businesses and you are great entrepreneurs and really looking at building your business credit profile. Now, once you have started your net 30 vendors, you have that ongoing, you have the gas cards. Now, I just think that Capital on Tap is a kind of a shortcut to building business credit because the thing is, it is bank issued. It is a bank issued credit card. And another great thing about them is that they do not do a hard pull, okay? However, they would kind of look into, when they say look into, they usually do a soft pull, okay? They just try to check your Experian Intelliscore that is on the business side, and they will also look into your personal Experian, okay? Now, a lot of these big lenders really like Experian. So that is one great thing about it because you do not incur a hard pull. And they make the process so detailed here. So for those of you who may be looking at getting it for your business, because it would be a great trade line. It is bank issued and with no hard credit check. I mean, that's a great option right there to add to your trade lines, okay? It will be a revolving account. It is an official credit card and it is by a really renowned company based in UK. Now, I forgot who among our members asked about why are net 30s so important in building business credit and why not just go to the bank and do all these things, okay? This video will actually show you the relevance and the importance of doing the net 30s so you can qualify for a lot more trade lines in the future. And you really have to build it because you build that by building your reputation, your business reputation, so to speak. You have to have this profile before this kind of lenders would actually look at you or qualify you for their products. Now, this new business that I started, this is one of my businesses that I started in June, which I've been using Navy Federal for a lot of things. It was a new company, and what happened was I actually enrolled with NAV, okay? Now, NAV is another subscription that I really would encourage a lot of people to do that if you want to build a credit profile on a fast track, you know, the quick one, turbo charging your business credit profile and your business credit, because I have used NAV and it's been amazing, and I know the benefits. I am seeing the benefits of it at this time. Even if I started only about 6 months ago with NAV, I can see a big difference when I can monitor my business credit. So anyway, so I did sign up with NAV, and of course NAV offers you a lot of information that actually can match you to specific lenders, and that's how I came across Capital on Tap, because in the list of lending institutions that you are matched with, Capital on Tap came out on my number one option right there, because if you enroll with NAV, you would know that you will get a list of consumer lenders and business lenders as well, and it would actually, NAV would actually tell you which one you are likely matched with depending on the information that you provide as far as your income, how many years, how many months in business, and all that good stuff. But Capital on Top was one of the things that I actually saw on that lineup. So, you know, being new, I think I was about 2 weeks old in the business, I did sign up for NAV, but then I applied with Capital on Top. And guess what? I got denied. My business at that time actually got denied because, and I am pretty sure it is because I did not have a lot of trade lines yet. No net 30s. I haven't started those, and my business was just too new. So they practically denied the company at that time. But I did not I did not incur a hard pull, so that was fine with me. So this time, I think about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I received an offer to apply again for Capital on Tap. And so I did. And at this time, because I know I already have an Intelliscore with Experian, and my Experian on the consumer side is pretty good as well. So I went on ahead, and guess what? No hard credit check, $3,000. I mean, that's not bad for a very new business. If you have applied for Capital on Top, do share your experience with them, and comment below and let me know how was it, how much you got approved for, and how is your experience with Capital on Tap. So if you are a new business and you have started your net 30s, you may want to try Capital on Tap, just in case, especially if you've had net 30s already, a few of them. And definitely, especially if you're new and you want to build your business credit profile, I would recommend NAV as well, because that way your business credit profile is already reported to all the business credit bureaus, and it is the easiest way to do it. So anyway, that's all for Capital on Tap, and I hope that this will give you an idea how it works and what the process is. And when you do go ahead and apply for Capital on Tap, you can use my link below. It's a referral link, and let me know about your experience and how much you got approved for, because I am sure that many of you will be approved for a lot more. And I just thought that this was an interesting part of it, especially with a brand new business, and then slowly getting all these trade lines and getting approved, because the business profile is already being built up. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will be sharing a lot more business videos as well in the upcoming days, in the next few days. Okay, so thank you again, and thank you for watching, and go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.